Here's her phone.
Hey!
Where'd she go? These could have all been prevented if you just cleaned up. Take a look. Here's her phone.
Hey!
Honey, don't forget to put your clothes away.
I'll do it later.
Where's the extractor 500? I could have sworn it was here. Where'd she go? All of these people got themselves into some serious problems because they didn't clean up. If people all around the world keep making messes and not taking care of their surroundings, they too could wind up in an unfortunate circumstance, which could be the end of them. Clean up today and make the world a neater and safer place.